Hey guys, we are back for another beer review. This time, ignore the label, I'm going to be trying my mate Carl's Mangrove Jack's Red IPA, bottled on the 26th of August, so just over a month, about 5-6 weeks old. And I know that Carl has added some extra Citra to this beer, so let's crack it open. Nice little hiss there, Carl, thank you for this. Smell the hops coming off the top of the bottle there. Just leave it there. So beautiful. It's got a beautiful red colour, classic sort of red IPA colour. Looks pretty clear. Got condensation on the glass once again, so that's probably not showing up the clarity. Oh, there we go, there's a better view of the colour. Holding a nice, not a huge head, but it's a nice compacted head, slightly off-white colour. Some sort of creamy bubbles in the middle there. Looks absolutely fantastic. So apart from it being a red IPA, I'm not even sure what the ABV is. I know, yeah, like I said, Carl's added some extra Citra to it, so we'll... Cheers guys, cheers Carl, we're going for a smell. Definitely getting that Citra off the top. Quite a strong citrus. Nice clean, like a nice clean citrus off the top. A little bit of sweet malt underneath, but yeah, the hops are sort of the dominant player on the aroma, so I'm going to go in for a drink. A mouthful, I should say. Okay, now on the mouthful, definitely getting more of the malt. Some nice sort of like dark nutty sort of caramel. And some nice sort of, I'm going to say like sweet, almost like a sweet candied fruit that you get in a, you know, those Christmas cakes with the, is it like the glacé cherries, is that how you say it? You know, and the different types of peel. Yeah, it's got that sort of, yeah, nice sweet candied fruit. And again, there's some nice, yeah, sort of dark caramel flavours coming through. The hops aren't as dominant in the flavour as on the aroma, but that's understandable. I mean, there's some big malts in a red IPA that the hops have to compete with. So I'd say it's more balanced. The hops and the malts are more balanced. I think I've said it before in other videos. In a pale ale, the malts normally play second fiddle to the hops, so the hops can really dominate the flavour and the aroma and the flavour. Whereas here the malts are very, very dominant as well, so you get a nice balance between the two. It's really nice, Carl. Got a nice mouthfeel to it. Slightly creamy when you're drinking it. It's actually getting up there towards sort of a medium body as well. I think these, I don't know for sure, but I think the ABV on this is a little bit higher, might be sort of around the 6% mark. You do taste a little bit of the booze, but it's not too over the top. It's really nice, and that Citra just, I think the Citra just sort of adds to the overall character of the beer. Look at that lacing, beautiful lacing there. One fine looking beer, so thank you very much for that, Carl. yeah, not much more else to add apart from that's a really solid kit, that Mangrove Jack's Red IPA kit, and I think adding the Citra was a really good call. So yeah, if you're looking for another Mangrove Jack's kit to try, if you haven't tried them all yet, yeah, give the Red IPA a whirl. Okay, excuse guys, we'll leave it there. And if I'm feeling in the mood, I may even crack a third beer and do a third. I'll do a separate review for them all, so they're not all in one long video. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later. Cheers, Carl. Over and out.